let's go pick up the keys. We made it. Quick little empty house tour. Huge shower, love that for us. We have a spare bedroom here. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell from today's video title, we are moving, and you can probably tell from the trash that you see behind us as well. We just got the call and we're about to go pick up our keys, and I'm so freaking excited. I'm gonna take Daisy with me, and I'm just gonna sit at the new house, and Andy's pretty much going to take all these boxes in his car, bring them over, and I'm gonna unpack it, just because with a puppy it'd be too much hassle for us both to try and like pack the car and move over. So I'll just stay at the house. His parents are also gonna come help us move, which is so amazing because one person doing it by themselves would be really hard. So thankfully they're going to come help us today, which is really awesome. And then tomorrow we've booked the moving truck for all of the big stuff like the bed, the couches, and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, let's go pick up the keys. Are you ready? We made it. So we've made it into the new home. I'm just at the front door, and I want to do a quick little empty house tour because I feel like these are so fun to watch. So you come in the front door. If you turn to the left, that is the garage door, and that is like a walk-in closet type situation. Then you have the hallway, which I will show you in a sec, but to the right is the master bedroom. This is what that looks like. We've got we've got a little walk-in wardrobe like we did in the old apartment, and then we also have a bathroom, which is amazing. Huge shower, love that for us. So coming back to the hallway, the first room you see is the living area. So like our TV cabinet and TV will go here. This will be like a little games cupboard, a door to the outside. We need to garden really badly. And then our couch and stuff will go here. Daisy, do you love it? This area here is just a huge empty space. We're gonna put a dining table just here, and then probably like a bar cart or something. To the left is the laundry, pretty basic. We have a spare bedroom here, which is absolutely massive. It's ginormous. Both Andy and I work from home, so this will either be his office or my office. I haven't decided yet. Like, I really want the bigger room because I like work predominantly from home, whereas Andy only works 2 times a week from home. But it kind of just depends on the lighting. I'm fussy like that. But yeah, this is one of the spare rooms. One thing I love about this is the doors. Again, they like open to either side. I just think that's really cool. To the left over here we have the kitchen. I really want to paint this white because it's currently like a grey blue, and I would love to redo this countertop because blue is just it's not my colour. So I really want this to be like white and bright, but it's not something we're gonna like do straight away. It'll probably take a year or so. The pantry is here, and then we're gonna put the fridge over here. And then we've got the other bedroom over here. So this one's a little bit smaller than the other one, and it looks out to the backyard. Again, we need a garden, so don't mind that. We've got the toilet here and the second bathroom. Again, huge showers, bathtub, that was a necessity. But yeah, welcome to our home, and I'm so excited to start unpacking, decorating, and just making it ours. But we need to start unpacking now, so let's go. moving in meal, McDonald's. Oh my god, it smells so good. It is now 6:20 p.m. We haven't eaten anything since 12. And poor Edie has been moving boxes in and out of the apartment to the house by himself all day. You're a trooper. So it is definitely time to eat. Miss Daisy, what's this over here? We are living the absolute dream. Sweet and sour sauce, chicken nuggets. So we've got a ton of boxes, if you can kind of see there, that we're going to start unpacking now. I was unpacking some today as well, but my camera actually died, which is why I haven't really filmed too much of the unpacking process yet. But yeah, we're going to unpack some of this stuff now, go home. We need to still disassemble the bed. Daisy! And then tomorrow the moving truck is coming at 7 a.m. So that is when all the big furniture, the beds, the couches and stuff will all come in here, and I'm so excited to see it all put together. So yeah, let's keep unpacking. Good morning guys, it is now the next day. Sorry if it's a little bit echoey in here. I'm standing in the bathroom just finishing off my makeup this morning, but it is Saturday morning. No, it is Friday morning. We didn't sleep in the new house last night just because today is the day the moving trucks are bringing like the bed and stuff. So this morning we woke up at 6:30 and the moving truck came at 7. I had to bring Daisy with me to the new house, and Andy's basically just helping the removalists at the apartment just to make it easier, because I feel like with a puppy you can't really have her kind of running around in that space. We went to bed at 1 a.m. last night. Honestly, yesterday was the biggest day of my entire life. Like from the second we woke up in the morning at like 7 a.m. until 1 a.m. I think we sat for maybe half an hour to eat McDonald's on the floor, as you guys saw in the vlog. Other than that, we did not sit at all. So I was absolutely pooped. I'm gonna keep doing my makeup and then start unpacking some more boxes. I was just watching that clip back to see how echoey it was, and all I could notice is my scar here. It looks like lipstick, but actually one of my cats scratched me, so that's fun. So I've just unpacked the clothes now, and this is something we didn't do last time that I found life-changing. I'm sure everyone else probably has already thought about it, but yeah, we just did not know this last time. But we basically just boxed up everything still on the hangers. So it literally took, I would say 2 minutes to unbox all of our wardrobe, which is just amazing, you know? So yeah, we got these huge boxes and we just left them on the hangers and kind of folded them in there, and life-changing. What can I say? We just went out to Kmart, and I think focus on furniture. So we bought a new rug, we bought a coffee table, we bought some dining chairs, and just some other random stuff at Kmart just to make the house feel a little bit more homey. We got a few like Scandinavian kind of decor pieces, so I thought I'd show you guys what we picked up. We got a lamp. So we already have one of these on one of the bedside tables, so we just picked up the other one. We also picked up this oak mirror. Daisy, hey baby. And the other stuff we got was kind of boring. It was just like toiletry items. We got like toilet cleaners, really inviting, but I also just really like the stone kind of look about them. And we got the matching soap dispensers and canisters. And we also got a rug. So Andy's about to set it up now, and then we're gonna make the dining chairs. Little update, it is now 6 p.m. and our friends have just come over to celebrate us moving into our new home. So we're gonna have some drinks, play some board games. I need to make some sort of like grazing platter or something, but we literally ran out of time. I think we started making those chairs at 2 p.m. It is now 6 p.m. and 2 chairs have still not been built yet. So it took so much longer than we anticipated, but my friends are just out there helping us build the other chairs now. I've just had a shower, got changed. Now we're just gonna play some games, have some drinks, and have a good time.